a shocking case of theft and betrayal in Bengaluru, police have arrested two accused in connection with the burglary of gold ornaments worth 1.13 crore rupees from the residence of the Cabinet Minister for Housing, Waqf and Minority Welfare, Zameer Ahmed Khan. The arrested accused have been identified as Ameer Ahmed, a distant relative of the minister, and his close partner Syed Ameen. Both are residents of Shivajinagar. According to police, the complaint was filed by Sogra Khanam, who was 75 years old, the minister's mother, on April 15th. She stated that Ameer Ahmed frequently visited their house, interacted with the family, and gradually gained their trust. Police said the accused later stole 759 grams of gold ornaments kept in a cupboard. Earlier, Ameer Ahmed had also requested 5 lakh rupees from the family, claiming he needed to travel to Mecca, but the request was denied. Investigations revealed that Ameer Ahmed had suffered losses in his travel business and was facing financial distress. Unable to secure financial help, he allegedly planned the theft. After the incident, he suddenly stopped visiting the house and did not respond to phone calls, which raised suspicion. Based on the complaint, police registered a case and began an investigation. Ameer Ahmed was arrested near a private college in Govindapura, and later his associate Syed Ameen was arrested in Matikere. Police said the stolen gold was pledged at a private finance firm. The ornaments have since been recovered and both accused are now in judicial custody. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.